Here's a quick review of common and proper nouns for the assignment that you have on IXL. Common means not above the average. Common nouns, if you recall, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are not a particular person, place, or thing and do not have to be capitalized unless, of course, they are the first word in a sentence. For example, in this sentence, cats are my favorite kind of animal. The nouns in this sentence, I paused hoping you're looking for them. The nouns in this sentence are cats, and kind here is actually a noun, and animal. It's not stating any particular cat. It's not saying Chester the cat or any particular special animal like Mickey Mouse. So cats and kind and animal in this particular sentence are common nouns. They don't require capitalization. There's nothing above average about them. Now, cats, of course, is capitalized because it's the first word in a sentence, and we always capitalize that. In our next sentence, the blue striped blanket was laying in the bedroom. Can you find the nouns, the person, place, thing, or ideas in this sentence? I hope you chose blanket and bedroom. These are not any particular blanket or bedroom that requires a capital letter. They're just common nouns, so they don't require a capital letter. The dogs barked at the rabbits all night. What are the nouns? If you chose dogs and rabbits and night, you are correct. Those are common nouns, and they don't require a capital letter. Now, proper nouns, the word proper means strictly accurate, and proper nouns are a particular person, place, or thing, and they must always be capitalized. If they're at the beginning of the sentence, if they're in the middle of the sentence, if they're at the end of the sentence, if they're not even in a sentence, you need to capitalize them. If it's on a sign or at the top of your paper, if you're writing your name there, your name should always be capitalized. You are important. Proper nouns are important things. They need to be capitalized. So in this sentence, Mr. Pepper yelled at the kids in the yard. Let's see if you can pick out the proper nouns. I hope you chose Mr. Pepper. Mr. Pepper is a particular person. His name should be capitalized, whether it's here or at the end of the sentence. Now, can you pick out any other nouns in this sentence? I hope you chose kids and yard. These are common nouns. I went to Grand Canyon National Park. What is the proper noun? There's only one proper noun in this sentence, and it is Grand Canyon National Park. Now, there's several words, but this is just one place, and all those words in it, it's a title, all those words need to be capitalized. I is a person, but it is a pronoun, and it is always capitalized no matter what. It's not a proper noun, it's a pronoun. It takes the place of another noun. Susan and Mike took a trip to Lake Cumberland. What are the proper nouns? Susan and Mike and Lake Cumberland. There are three of them. Lake Cumberland is one place. Its title has two words in it, so they both need to be capitalized. Susan and Mike are particular people. It doesn't say the man and the woman took a trip to Lake Cumberland. So Susan, Mike, and Lake Cumberland, all proper nouns. There is one common noun in this sentence. Can you pick it out? I hope you said trip. Trip is a noun, a common noun. Now we're going to look at these sentences which have a combination of common and proper nouns. So in this sentence, Stacy took her dog to the park in Bardstown. What are the proper nouns? I think it's easiest to pick out the proper nouns because we know proper nouns have to be capitalized. So we have two words here that are capitalized, Stacy and Bardstown. Now this is the first word of a sentence, so we have to be careful and make sure it really is a proper noun. Is Stacy a particular person, place, or thing? Yes, Stacy is a particular person. So this is a proper noun. Bardstown is a proper noun. It is a particular town in Kentucky. Then we're going to look for the common nouns. Those are any person, place, or thing that's in this sentence. So we can look at each individual word. That's how I like to do it. And I come across dog and go, oh, dog is a thing, an animal. And park. Park is a place. And then we'll look at the next sentence. So dog and park are common nouns here. St. Gregory School is one of the best schools in the state of Kentucky. Let's look for the proper nouns first. I hope you chose St. Gregory School. That's a particular school. And Kentucky, that is a particular state. Now we're going to look for the common nouns. Is one. And this actually is a noun, a common noun here. Schools is a common noun. State is a common noun. So that is a quick review of common and proper nouns.